everyone, my name is Ava and I'm a third-year PhD student in the Department of Chemical Engineering. You may say I'm a bit of a McMaster lifer as I completed both my undergraduate degree and my master's thesis here as well before entering the PhD in the summer of 2018. I completed the unique 5-year chemical and bioengineering undergraduate degree before then entering a 1-year accelerated master's thesis. I took a part in the Chemical Engineering for a While 4 course, which is also known as the Senior Independent Research Project, also known as your undergraduate thesis. And I took a part in this course as I wanted to pursue graduate school, and I was looking into the accelerated master's degree option. For this accelerated master's, it is required to take for a while 4 as a precursor to then your 1 year as a master's student. So I wanted to take for a while 4 as a stepping stone because I had already completed 2 summers in Dr. Todd Hoare's research group prior to taking for a while 4, and I really wanted to pursue graduate school in the same lab. So I'd say it was a great opportunity because I really wanted to continue expanding my research skills and again use it as a stepping stone into graduate school. So I would say it was a bit challenging to take the course at the time as I was in my final year of undergraduate, of my undergraduate degree. And I had a ton of other courses to worry about. As some of you may know, research and science takes time. So it was a bit difficult to juggle both the course load and going into a lab at the same time. However, I feel extremely fortunate and grateful to have had this opportunity as it led me into graduate school and where I am today. So I highly encourage all of you to look at all options for graduate school. As you may or may not be aware of some of the options that exist, and especially for those of you who are in the Department of Chemical Engineering, take a look into the accelerated master's option, because if you're already a part of a research group or are looking to be a part of one, this might actually be a really exciting opportunity for you.